Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in this channel. In this video, I have a very interesting logarithmic equation. I have the logarithm of the sum of two numbers plus 1 is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the numbers. That is, ln x plus y plus 1 is equal to ln x plus ln y. How are we going to solve this problem? I'm first of all going to concentrate on the right hand side since I have ln x plus ln y, and I'm going to apply the addition law of logarithm here. The addition law of logarithm is this: if I have log to base a of b plus log to base a of c, it is equal to log to base a of b times c. So ln, that is ln x, for example, is equal to log to base e of x. Now that means that I'm going to multiply the arguments together. So I have ln x plus y plus 1 is equal to ln x times y. Now the next thing I will do is to eliminate or cancel out the logarithm terms or these logarithm signs. To do that, I will apply a property in indices. If, for example, I have e to power ln x, it is equal to x. So let's remember that ln x means log to base e of x. So e to power ln x is the same thing as e to power log to base e of x, and that means that the result is just x. So I'll raise this as the powers of e. E to power ln x plus y plus 1 is equal to e to power ln xy. Now x plus y plus 1 is equal to xy. Good. So I have a problem now, and that problem is that I have two unknown variables and one equation. So I am supposed to be given two equations since I have two unknown variables. What am I going to do to solve this problem? By the way, problems like this or equations like this are called Diophantine equations, and we are normally solving for integer values. Now what I will do is to manipulate these terms so that I will be able to factorize them. To do that, I'll move all the unknown variables to one side. So I'll move xy minus x to this side, then minus y is equal to 1. Now, the next thing I will do is to add 1 to both sides so as to be able to factorize the left-hand side. That is the manipulation or the trick. So if I add 1 here, xy minus x minus y plus 1, I'll also add 1 to 1, giving us 2. So if I group them, in the first bracket, x is common, remaining y minus 1. In the second one, minus 1 is common, remaining y minus 1 equals to 2. So we see these two terms are the same. So I will put these other ones in a bracket while taking one of them. So x minus 1, y minus 1 is equal to 2. Take note that I'm writing x minus 1 term first because we are asked to find x comma y. Now to proceed, I'm going to write 2 as a product of two factors. Luckily, 2 has two factors, that is 1 and 2. I can also write it as 2 times 1. So I'll equate each of these terms in the left-hand side to 1 and to 2 respectively. I was saying that I will equate x minus 1 to 1. X minus 1 is equal to 1, and y minus 1 to 2. In this first one, x is equal to 2, and in the second one, y is equal to 3. So x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. I can also switch the numbers. That means 3 comma 2 is still my x comma y. So I have two ordered pairs. I can also rewrite this product 2 as minus 1 times minus 2. So that becomes x minus 1 times y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 times minus 2, or minus 2 times minus 1. If that is the case, x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, or y minus 1 is equal to minus 2, and x equals to 0 when I move this one here, or y is equal to minus 1. So x comma y in this case is 0 comma minus 1. I can also switch the numbers. x comma y can also be written as minus 1 comma 0. However, this is not an acceptable solution because logarithm forbids 0, and a negative number. So I can't have ln 0 or log to base e of 0 or log to base e of minus 1. In fact, log generally must be greater than 0. This solution is for integer solution. So we've just solved for integer values. I can also solve for real values. And for me to do that, I'm going to start with x minus 1, y minus 1 is equal to 2, which is the result of this factorization. Now, I will divide both sides by x, that is x minus 1 times y minus 1 is equal to 2. I will divide by x minus 1 instead of x, please. Where this and this will cancel out, remaining y minus 1 is equal to 2 over x minus 1. Now let me move this one to the other side. That becomes y is equal to 2 over x minus 1 plus 1. This becomes the result. If x is equal to 1, that means that y is equal to 2 over 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 1. This is undefined, and undefined is not a number. But if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 all over 2 minus 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, giving us 3. Let's remember that we have 2, 3 or 3, 2 as the value of x, y. Therefore, we will keep on increasing the value of x, and in each case, we'll find the value of y. So, y equals to 2 over 2x minus 1 plus 1 becomes the result for the real solutions. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also share this video because sharing is love and love doesn't cost a thing. I would also like to read your comment in the comment section. When you do all these things, you are helping this channel to grow. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye.